ओम नमः शिवाय मोर स्नेहर छात्र छात्री माने दीपुसर ज्ञानी यूट्यूब चैनल को स्वागत करुछि। आज पिला माने मो प्लस टू सेकेंड ईयर आर्ट्स कॉमर्स पिला मानक पई इंग्लिश रो गोटे माराथन वीडियो नै आसी। पिला मान देखो साइंस एग्जाम सरी जाईछि 26 तारिख रे आर्ट्स एवं कॉमर्स पिला मानकर एग्जाम अछि। ताहाकू आखि आगे रखी मु प्रोज पोएट्री एवं स्टोरी रो समस्त एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन आज मु गोटे वीडियो आज उपलब्ध कराइबी। पिला मन देखो मु प्रथमे गपर सब एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन आलोचना करी, गप पर गीतर आलोचना करी, तापर प्रोज रो आलोचना करी, ता सहित प्राइस पॉल्यूशन मध्य एमसीक्यू मु आलोचना करी। गोटे वीडियो रे आज समस्त एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन मु आज आलोचना करी जहाँकि तुम परीक्षा निश्चय उपयोगी सब्यस्त हम। एबे पिला माने आमे स्टोरी रो एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन आलोचना करबा। प्रथम क्वेश्चन कहिछि डैश इज द प्रोटैगनिस्ट ऑफ द एक्सट्रैक्ट। उत्तर होछि श्री महाराणा। द नरेटर फाउंड हिमसेल्फ। आंसर होछि इन ए फिक्स। 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन इंडिया's independence gave rise to डैश ना सम पैट्रियट्स। देखो पिला माने जो मिस्ट्री ऑफ द मिसिंग केव तार राइटर अछंती मनोज दास। साधारणतः एटा गुड होची चमत्कार गल्प तांकर कारण जड़े मंत्रींकर ओडिशार गोटे गाँ को परिदर्शन करि आसीबा घटना उपरे आलोकपात करिसंती। এই গল্পরে লেখক নূতন ভাবে সৃষ্টি হইতিবা দেশপ্রেম মানক বিষୟରେ এবং ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଜୀବନଶୈଳୀ ଉପରେ ଆଲୋକପାତ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ସେଇ ଗଳ୍ପରେ ଶ୍ରୀ ମହାରାଣାଙ୍କ ପରି ସଦୟ ଅତିଥି ସତ୍କାରକାରୀ ଯିଏକି ବିଧାନସଭା ଆସନଟିଏ ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଇଚ୍ଛୁକ ଲୋକ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ଅଧିକାରୀଙ୍କ ପରି ତସମଦକାରୀ ଏବଂ ଆତ୍ମଗର୍ବୀ ମତ୍ସ୍ୟ ଓ କଳା ବିଭାଗର ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରିଛନ୍ତି। मंत्री वीरकिशोर राय तांको गाँ को परिदर्शन आसीचंती एवं ए गल्परे ग्राम्य परिवेश को मध्य गल्परे सुंदर भाव रे वर्णना करिया जाईछि। ए गल्पटी भारत स्वाधीनता पाइबार परवर्ती समय घटना को नहीं वर्णित। देखो पिला माने एटार मुख्य चरित्र अभितन्न होइचंती श्री महाराणा जे कि एमएलए होबार तांकर भारी स्वप्न एवं तांको ग्राम को से मत्स्य कला विभाग मंत्री वीरकिशोर राय को स्वागत करिसंती एवं संपूर्ण घटना को मांकड़ झंडू रो हास्य उद्दीपक कार्य में व्यंग विद्रूप करा जाईछि एवं एक स्पष्ट एवं अभ्रांत ओडिया रुचि संपन्न भावधारा को गाल्पिक मनोज दास सेटारे प्रकाश करिसंती। देखो पिला माने एमसी क्वेश्चन आलोचना करबा। प्रथम क्वेश्चन दिस इज द प्रोटैगनिस्ट ऑफ द एक्सट्रैक्ट। उत्तर होछि श्री महाराणा। द्वितीय क्वेश्चन द नरेटर फाउंड हिमसेल्फ डैश। उत्तर होछि इन ए फिक्स। तृतीय क्वेश्चन इंडिया's independence gave rise to डैश। उत्तर सम पैट्रियट्स। 4 नंबर श्री महाराणा's ambition। श्री महाराणा's ambition to be an डैश। उत्तर होछि एमएलए। the word debut means होछि मेडन। नेक्स्ट पिला माने 6 नंबर को जिबा। 6 नंबर क्वेश्चन कहिछि इन एन अर्ली इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया ए मिनिस्टर्स डेली लाइफ वाज मेनली कन्फाइंड टू डैश। उत्तर होछि डेलिवरिंग स्पीचेस एट पब्लिक फंक्शन। 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन हु वाज द मिनिस्टर ऑफ फिशरीज एंड फाइन आर्ट्स। उत्तर पिला माने होछि बाबू वीरकिशोर। 8 नंबर क्वेश्चन Sri Maharana had the only poka house in an area of dash 20 villages. उत्तर होछि 20 villages। 9 number question why had Sri Maharana a considerable reputation। उत्तर पिला मान होछि she was a conscientious and generous man। Who was the chairman of the reception committee। reception committee chairman किए थे ना श्री महाराणा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन who had composed the welcome song। who had composed the welcome song। उत्तर होछि the head pandit of the village school। 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन How were the minister and his people treated at Sri Maharana's house? उत्तर होची with coconut juice. 13 number question. How many dishes were there in the luxurious lounge arranged for the minister? How many dishes were there in the luxurious lounge arranged for the minister? उत्तर होची 20. 14 number question. Who garlanded the minister on the stage? जे मिनिस्टर किए माला पकईले उत्तर होची श्री महाराणा नाइस. 15 number question. How was the welcome song being toned? उत्तर होची पिला माने in the kirtan style. 16 number question. What did the minister drink in between in speech? उत्तर होची glass of curd. 17 number. A grand reception was arranged for days. A grand reception was arranged for answer होची बाबू वीरकिशोर. 8 number question. The honorable minister Babu Virakisara was welcomed at the first welcome arc on the outskirts on the village. 19 number question. Sri Maharana patted the narrator with a smile and told him to dash. Uttaruchi keep the incident strictly to himself. 19 number question ପିଲାମାନେ କହିଛି ଶ୍ରୀ ମହାରଣା patted the narrator with a smile and told him to dash. Answer होची keep the incident strictly to myself. 20 number question କହିଛି the writer was unable to shut partly for fear that answer होची the minister snoring might change. 21 number question ପିଲାମାନେ କହିଛି the Sri Maharana also paid that a noble man of their locality had taken away the care. उत्तर ପିଲାମାନେ ହଉଛି ଏଟା ବହୁତ important question. Sri Maharana also paid that a nobleman of their locality had taken away the care and answer ହଉଛି to preserve it at a scarcity. ମନେ ତ ଟୋପିଟା ଜଣ୍ଡୁ ନେଇଥିଲା ମାଙ୍କଡ. Next question. The monkey's paw. ଏଟାର ରାଇଟର ଅଛନ୍ତି W ଜାକବ୍ସ. ପିଲାମାନେ ମନେ ରଖିଥାଅ ଯେ ଜାକବ୍ସଙ୍କର ନାଟକ ଗୁଡ଼ିକର ପାରମ୍ପରିକ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ଉପରେ ଆଲୋକପାତ କରାଯାଇଛି. ଆମେ ବାସ୍ତବରେ ଯାହା ପାଇବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା କରୁଛୁ ବୋଲି ଭାବୁ ତାହା ଆମର ପ୍ରକୃତ ଇଚ୍ଛା ନୁହେଁ. ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା ଠାରୁ ଅଧିକ ଇଚ୍ଛା କରିବା ଧ୍ୱଂସକୁ ଆମନ୍ତ୍ରଣ କରିଥାଏ. ଅତ୍ୟଧିକ ଆଶା ଓ ଆକାଂକ୍ଷା ପରିପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ହୋଇନଥାଏ ବରଂ ଏହାର ଫଳାଫଳ ଭୟଙ୍କର ହୋଇଥାଏ. ଆଲୋଚ୍ୟ ଗଳ୍ପରେ ହର୍ବଟଙ୍କର ହଠାତ୍ ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ହୋଇଯିବା ଏବଂ ଜୀବନ୍ତ ଶବ ଭାବେ ସମାଧିରୁ ଉଠି ଆସିବା ଏହାର ଦୃଷ୍ଟାନ୍ତ. ସଂକ୍ଷେପରେ କହିଲେ ଅତି ଲୋଭର ଦୁଃଖର କାରଣ ହୋଇଥାଏ. ଏହି ନାଟକଟିର ପ୍ରଥମ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଅସନ୍ତୋଷଜନକ ଫଳାଫଳ ଆଣିଦେଇଛି. ତରବରିଆ ଭାବେ କରାଯାଇଥିବା ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ଇଚ୍ଛା ପ୍ରଥମର ଫଳାଫଳକୁ ବଦଳାଇବାକୁ ସମର୍ଥ ହୋଇଛି ଓ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିକୁ ଅଧିକ ଖରାପ କରିଦେଇଛି. ତୃତୀୟ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ଇଚ୍ଛାଟିକୁ କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର ପ୍ରତିରୋଧ କରାଯାଇଛି. ଯୋଉ ଆଲୋଚ୍ୟ ଗଳ୍ପରେ ଅତି ଲୋଭର ପରିମାଣକୁ ଜାକବ ସେଥିରେ ଚିତ୍ରକଳ୍ପ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରିଛନ୍ତି. ଏଥିରେ ଅଂଶଗ୍ରହଣ କରୁଥିବା ଚରିତ୍ରମାନେ ବାସ୍ତବ ଭଳି ମନେ ହୁଅନ୍ତି. ସେମାନେ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରୁଥିବା ସଳାପ ଚତୁର୍ଗୁଡ଼ି ବିଭକ୍ତ ଭାବେ ସେ ଉପସ୍ଥାପନ କରିଛନ୍ତି. ଏବେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଆମେ ଏମସିକ୍ୟୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା. ପ୍ରଥମ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ କହିଛି the white family is in a dash mood. Answer होची relaxed. 2 number question. Mr. White is dash a politician. Answer होची critical. 3 number. Surrogate Major Morris visit the White family in a dash weather, hostile weather. 4 number. That the story of the monkey's paw is about magic evokes a dash response from the whites. उत्तर होची curious. 5 number. A magic smell. এটা পরীক্ষার আছে. A magic smell on the paw grants dash wishes to its user. उत्तर होची 3. 6 number question. One who uses monkey's paw invites answer होची disaster. Herbert is a dash believer in the magical power of the monkey's paw. उत्तर होची रिलकांट। 8 नंबर क्वेश्चन, मिस्टर व्हाइट फर्स्ट विश हैज बीन फुलफिल्ड। आंसर होची ड्रामाटिकली। द्वितीय क्वेश्चन, 9 नंबर क्वेश्चन, द न्यूज ऑफ हर्बर्ट्स डेथ मेक्स मिसेस व्हाइट। उत्तर होची टेरिबली ग्रीफ स्ट्रिकन। 10 नंबर क्वेश्चन, मिसेस व्हाइट विशेस हर सन कम टू डैश। उत्तर होची लाइफ अगेन। देखो पिला माने 11 नंबर क्वेश्चन कहिछि, मिस्टर व्हाइट यील्ड्स टू हिज वाइफ डैश टू गो फॉर द अदर टू विशेस। आंसर होची प्रेशर। 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज मिसेस व्हाइट्स कंप्लेंट अबाउट द रेन। व्हाट वाज मिस्टर व्हाइट्स कंप्लेंट अबाउट द रेन। आंसर होची पिला माने पॉलिटिशियंस वेर इनएक्टिव व्हेन द रोड वाज गेटिंग ओवरफ्लोडेड with rainwater. 13 number question, Herbert wanted to go to India. Herbert wanted to go to India, उत्तर होची to see the old temples and visit one of the holy men performing miracles. 14 number question, what was special about the monkey's paw as told by Morris? What was the special about the monkey's paw as told by Morris? उत्तर होची it had a spell put on it by an old holy man. 15 number question, third wish of the first owner of the monkey's paw was death. उत्तर होची to end his life or death. 16 number question, what did Mr. White tell his wife? उत्तर होची he could recognize Herbert by his clothes. बहुत important. He could recognize Herbert by his clothes. 17 number question, Mr. White told Mrs. White that. Answer होची Herbert was mangled in the machinery. ଏବେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଯିବା stay hungry, stay foolish. तारो राइटर अछंती, स्टोरी टेलर अछंती स्टीव जॉब्स। साधारणतः एई गल्पटी जॉब्संकर जन्म, लालन पालन, शिक्षा एवं द्वितीयटी तांकर जंत्रणा और सेतिरो मुक्ति और तृतीयटी मूर्त संपर्कित थिला। मनरक्ता ए विषयटी 2005 मसियारे स्टैंडर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी स्टीव जॉब्स देइतिबा जीवन परिवर्तन एक वृत्ति परिवर्तन भाषण अटे, जोटारे से निज जीवन संपर्कित तीनोटी गल्प वक्तृता देवा समय कही। तेणु एटा तांकर निजस्व थिला। एटा ही स्टे हंग्री स्टे फुलिश रो विषय वस्तु। एबे तर हम एमसीक्यू आलोचना करबा। 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन कहिछि हिज बायोलॉजिकल मदर वाज डैश। उत्तर होछि अनमैरिड एंड यंग। 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन शी वाज इंटरेस्टेड टू पुट अप द राइटर फॉर एडॉप्शन। उत्तर होछि एडॉप्शन। द राइटर्स कॉलेज वाज वेरी डैश एक्सपेंसिव। उत्तर होछि एक्सपेंसिव। The writers realized the days of going to his college. उत्तर होची futility. Next question, Reed College was famous for days. उत्तर होची calligraphy. 6 number, the writer made up his mind to read days. ना उत्तर होची calligraphy. 7 number, Macintosh computer was remarkable for beautiful days, not typography. Next question, 8 number, for Steve Jobs getting fired from Apple was a dash. उत्तर होची blessing and disguise. 9 number, Jobs started his life with a dash. Answer होची bang. 10 number, the world's first animated feature film was. उत्तर होची Toy Story. 11 number question, Jobs married life was. Answer is spectacular. 12 number question, he was a die hard. Answer is optimist. 13 number question, reading one quotation was a turning point in his life. Reading one quotation was turning point in his life when Job was 17 years old. 14 number, Jobs considered death as a great. उत्तर होची monster. 15 number question, Jobs suffered from dash. Now pancreatic cancer. 16 number question, what was Jobs speech at the Standard University about? Answer होची 3 stories from his life. बहुत important ছয়টা পরীক্ষার আছে, these 3 stories from his life. 17 number question, from which college did Job drop out? उत्तर होची Reed College. What was Job's biological mother? An unwed college graduate student. What approach has made all the difference in Job's life? What approach has made all the difference in Job's life? उत्तर होची believing in something. 20 number question ପିଲାମାନେ, what did Steve Jobs and was do when Apple grew? उत्तर होची thus hired a talented person to run the company with him. 21 number question କହିଛି when Steve Jobs was 30. When Steve Jobs was 30, what happened to him? उत्तर होची he was fired from the company. ଏବେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଯିବା ମାଇ ମଦର, ଚାର୍ଲି ଚାମ୍ପଲିନ୍ ରାଇଟର ଅଛନ୍ତି, ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର ବିଷୟ ଏଟା, ଗପଟି। ଦେଖ ପିଲାମାନେ, ଆମେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତିନୋଟି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ, ଆମେ ତିନୋଟି ବିଷୟ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିଦେଲେ। ଏବେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ କୁ ଯିବା। ଲାଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଅଛି ମାଇ ମଦର। ଚାପ୍ଲିନଙ୍କର ମାଇ ଅଟୋଗ୍ରାଫିରୁ ଉଦ୍ଧୃତ ହୋଇଥିବା ମାଇ ମଦର ତାଙ୍କ ପିତାମାତାଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିଛି। ଏହି ବିଷୟଟି ମଞ୍ଚ ଉପରେ ଚାପ୍ଲିନଙ୍କର ପ୍ରଥମ ଆବିର୍ଭାବ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କ ମାଙ୍କର ମଞ୍ଚ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ତ୍ୟାଗ କରିବା ପରେ ସେମାନେ ସମ୍ମୁଖୀନ ହୋଇଥିବା ଦୁର୍ଦ୍ଦଶା ଉପରେ ଆଲୋକପାତ କରିଛି। ସ୍ପଷ୍ଟ ଅଭିବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ହେଉଛି ମାଇ ମଦର ଗଳ୍ପର ବୈଶିଷ୍ଟ୍ୟ। ଏଟାର ରାଇଟର ଅଛନ୍ତି କିଏ? ଅଥର ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଚାର୍ଲି ଚାପ୍ଲିନ୍। ଦେଖ ପିଲାମାନେ, ପ୍ରଥମ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ କହିଛି ଚାପ୍ଲିନ୍ସ ଫାଦର ୱାଜ ଡ୍ୟାଶ। उत्तर होची ब्रिलियंट आर्टिस्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ही वाज एंडोड विथ ए डैश वॉइस. उत्तर होची ग्रेव एंड डीप वॉइस. 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन, Chaplin's father died because of his death. The Chaplin's father died because of his alcoholic habit. 4 number question, when drinking, Chaplin's father was in a dash mood. उत्तर होची violent mood. 5 number question, Chaplin's parents dash in his infancy. उत्तर होची divorced. 5 number, Chaplin's parents dash in infancy. उत्तर होची divorced বা divorced. His mother was a dash singer. उत्तर होची celebrated singer. 7 number, the cracking voice of Chaplin's mother was met with dash responses from the audience. आउथरे पिला माने कहूची देखो, the cracking voice of Chaplin's mother was met with dash responses from the audience. उत्तर होची ridiculous. 8 number question, the stage manager led Chaplin to the stage amidst great dash. उत्तर होची noise. देखो 8 नंबर उत्तर होची द स्टेज मैनेजर लेड चैपलिन टू द स्टेज एमडिस्ट ग्रेट. उत्तर होची नॉइज. 9 नंबर, जैक जोन्स वाज ए ग्रेट सॉन्ग. उत्तर हो जैक जोन्स वाज ए ग्रेट सॉन्ग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, चैपलिन्स फर्स्ट अपीयरेंस ऑन द स्टेज वाज क्वाइट डैश. जे चैपलिन्स फर्स्ट अपीयरेंस ऑन द स्टेज वाज क्वाइट एनकरेजिंग. 11 नंबर क्वेश्चन, presence of Chaplin's mother on the stage was electrifying. 12 number, the sight of mother's tear dash Chaplin a little. उत्तर होची vexed. 13 number question, Chaplin's mother was short and dash sensitive. Now Chaplin's mother was short, dignity and sensitive. 14 number question, during Chaplin's time, job such as nursing was quite infrequent. आउथर को देखो, during Chaplin's time, jobs such as nursing was quite infrequent. 15 number question. Despite all odds, Chaplin's mother was dash. उत्तर होची tolerant. 16 number question. The first appearance on Charlie Chaplin on the stage the night was dash. बहुत important question. The first appearance of Charlie Chaplin on the stage that night was the last appearance of his mother on the stage. 7 number question. Every Sunday Charlie Chaplin said through bench organ music. Why? उत्तर होची to listen to the revered F.B. Myers prevent and dramatic voice. Someone देखो last question. Why did Chaplin's mother not see her theatrical friend? उत्तर होची she had joined the church. देखो पिलामने प्रथम क्वेश्चन. The poet of the poem The Ballad of Father Gilligan is dash. उत्तर होची किए होचनी कवि ना William Butler Yeats. Next question. William Butler Yeats was born in 1865. The poem has a dash na ballad for. Next question. The poem talked about उत्तर होची the presence of God everywhere and his love for all. पिलामान देखा जो विषय आलोचना करना ही काली उत्तरटी को आलोचना करी दउची जाकि तमर परीक्षा रे आसीबा सुनिश्चित. 5 number question कहछि Father Gilligan was very thrown out because उत्तर होची he was overburdened by his religious duties. 6 number question. The poor man sent for Father Gilligan because answer होची he could receive the last sacrament before dying so that his soul would be grasped and he would go to heaven. Next पिलामान देखो the expression green shorts refer to dash. The expression green shorts refers to answer होची grapes covered by green grass. 8 number question. What is referred to as mouth hour of eve? जो what is referred to as mouth hour of eve answer होची evening. देखो पिला माने वर्तमान जस्ट कालटी सारांश खाली टी कहि दउ जे देखो पिला माने जे कविता रे प्रारंभ रे हमें देखिबा को पाउछे जने वृद्ध क्लांत पात्री पीटर गिलगेन को गिर्जार अधीनस्थ अंचलर मुर्मुसु मानकर दिन राति सेवा करी से क्लांत होई पड़िचंती. बहु संख्यार मृत्युर कबलित होता व्यक्ति मानकर आत्मार सद्गति पाई प्रार्थना करिवा तांकर कर्तव्य. संध्या आसीची चेयर उपरे बसी विश्राम करुवा पाद्रींकर मस्तक क्लांत नई पड़िछि. एही समय अन्य जने दरिद्र लोकर सेवा पाई अनुरोध आछि किंतु एते से परिश्रम करिसंती जे से असंतोष प्रकाश करिसंती. जेतबेले से सोई जाइछंती तापर से अनुताप करिसंती एवं भगवान को चेयर ऊपर बसी क्षमा प्रार्थना करिसंती एवं तापरे संध्या अतिक्रांत होइछि. आकाश रे क्रम गोटोटी तारा झलसी उठिसंती. समग्र पृथ्वी ऊपर अंधकार माड़ी आसीछि. चतुर्दिगरे नीरवता विद्यमान होइछि. एही समय रे निथर रातिर निस्तब्धता भितर भगवान सते जेपरि मृदु स्वर रे मानव जाति को गोपन कथा कहिसंती. सुप्त पाद्री विवेकर ताड़न हठात चेई उठिछि. से को भाबिचंती जो दरिद्र लोकर डाकर आसितला ता कथा चिंता करी पीटर गिल्टन विब्रत होई पड़िचंती. से अणनिश्वास होई घोड़ारे बसी से रोगी पाखକୁ जाइछंती. ए सेई लोकर स्त्री कबाट खोलिछि. पाद्री को पुणी थरे देखि से आश्चर्य कहिला पाद्री बाबा आपण पुणी आसिचंती. पीटर गिल्टन जानिबा को जाइछंती रोगीटी मरी जाइछि. दुखर से भांगी पड़िचंती. सेतबेले जानिछन जे पाद्री चली जिबार ठीक परे एई एकमात्र घंटा आगु रोगीटी मरी जाइछि. सेतबेले से आश्चर्य होइचंती कारण से तो प्रकृतर आसी नथिले. से निर्भीक होई रहिचंती किंतु क्रमे भगवानंकर करुणार रहस्य तांको निकटे उन्मोचित होइछि. से अनुभव करिछन जे तांको प्रकृतले क्लांत जानी भगवान रकीर शुश्रूषा पाई तांको छद्म बेशरे जणे देवदूतंको पठाइतले. भगवान को उद्देश्य रे पाद्री अंतर कृतवान कृतज्ञता भरी देइछन्ति। देखो पिला माने एटा जो सारांश कहली जो पीटर गिलिगन जड़े प्रात्री थिले से बहुत परिश्रम करुले दिन राति लोक मानकर सेवा करुले शोइबा को समय नथिला। दिने जड़े हठात जड़े लोक आसी डाकी किंतु से जाई पार नथिले जो थकी पड़ते किंतु राति शुणी माने जानिबा को पाइले लोकटी मरी जाइछि। सी जाई से लोक घरे पहुँचले देखला से लोकटी कहूँ आपण तो आसीथिले एबे लोकटी मरी जाइछि। से आश्चर्य होइछि से तो प्रकृत आसी नथिले तेणु से जानि जो पाइछन जे भगवान जेतु से एते सेवा करूछन्ति भगवान तांको वेशरे आसीछन्ति। ओ देखो लेट इट आमे क्वेश्चन खाली आलोचना करिबा। मु खाली जस्ट ब्रीफली डिस्कशन डी करि देली। 8 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज रेफर टू एज मोथ आवर एफ उत्तर हो इवनिंग। 9 नंबर फादर गिलिगन डिड नॉट गो टू लेडी हाउस बिकॉज कहीं की जाई पनो दे तांग घर को उत्तर हो ही वाज टायर्ड एंड वेरी। 10 नंबर क्वेश्चन पीपल वेर डाइंग बिकॉज ऑफ डेथ आंसर हो एपिडेमिक। moth is dash moth would insect। what is ballad a narrative poem। who were father Gilligan's flock आंसर होची high parishioners। 14 नंबर how does the father react when another poor man sent for him उत्तर होची began to grieve। 15 नंबर क्वेश्चन why did he fall asleep during his prayer आंसर होची his body was very tired and mind distressed। 16 नंबर क्वेश्चन what shows that the father was shocked when he woke up आंसर होची stood upright। 17 नंबर whom did father Gilligan wake up from sleep आंसर होची his horse। 18 नंबर क्वेश्चन why did father Gilligan write with less care आंसर होची he was worried about the man। 19 नंबर क्वेश्चन why does he rode as he never rode by the rocky lane and fan convey आंसर होची फादर गिलिगन्स concern for his parishioners। who opened the door ना the sick man's wife परीक्षा सब बड़ा से who opened the door ना the sick man's wife। why was the sick man's wife surprised to see the father कहीं से आश्चर्य गेले फादर को देखिकी आंसर होची he had seen the father performing the death rituals। 22 नंबर the sick man's wife said that her husband was died तांको स्वामी मरी जेतले केते घंटा पूर्वरु एन वार एगो घंटाडे पूर्व मरी जेतले। whom had God sent to help the old Christ one of his angels। whom had God sent to help the old Christ उत्तर होची one of his angels परीक्षा रे आसे पिला माने। for whom has God made the starry nights उत्तर होची the sick and the dying। 25 नंबर why has God made the starry nights for the sick and the dying उत्तर होची to comfort them। 26 नंबर what does God have in his care what does God have in his care आंसर होची planets and everything on his planets। 27 नंबर क्वेश्चन God is warped in days उत्तर होची purple robes। 28 नंबर whom does the father call the least of things आंसर होची himself। 29 नंबर whom did God have pity on आंसर क्वेश्चन होची whom did God have pity on आंसर होची फादर गिलिगन। देखो पिला माने एबे आलोचना करिबा स्पाम ऑफ लाइफ जार राइटर अछंती कवि होचंती हेनरी वार्ड्सवर्थ लॉन्गफेलो। देखो पिला माने कि विषय रे मु टिके बुझेई दउची जस्ट सामारी तापरे क्वेश्चन आंसर आलोचना करिबा। पिला मन देखो जे कविंक मतरे जीवन हेउची एक निरर्थक स्वप्न कवितार आरंभ रे लॉन्गफेलो या को रक्त भाव आग्रह करिसंती से कहिसंती कार्यहीनता मृत्यु भितर किछि पार्थक्य नाही अलसुआर जीवन अनुपादेय जे अलसुआ से सबले दुख पाइबो कारण कर्म ही भगवान जे तार कर्म ठीक न करिवो तार फल पाइबो नाही। तेणु नैराश्यवादी माने जीवन कौन सी कथा को वास्तवता सहित विश्लेषण करती ना। तेणु जीवन शेष मृत्यु नुहे कविंक मतरे जीवनटा ଉପଭୋଗର ବସ୍ତୁ ନୁହେଁ। ତେଣୁ ଯେତେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆମେ ବଞ୍ଚିଥିବା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଜୀବନର ଦୁଃଖ ପାଇଁ କୌଣସି ସ୍ଥାନ ନାହିଁ। ଆମେ କର୍ମ କରିବା, କର୍ମ ହିଁ ଜୀବନର ମହତ୍ତ୍ୱ। ଯଦି ଆମେ ଠିକ୍ ଭାବରେ କର୍ମ କରିବା ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ଜୀବନର କୌଣସି ଦୁଃଖ ପାଇବା ନାହିଁ। କବି ଲଙ୍ଗଫେଲୋ କଳା ଏବଂ ଜୀବନ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଥିବା ବୈଷମ୍ୟକୁ ଉପସ୍ଥାପନ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ସୌନ୍ଦର୍ଯ୍ୟମୟ ସୃଷ୍ଟି ଚିରନ୍ତନ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଜୀବନ ହେଲା କ୍ଷଣସ୍ଥାୟୀ। ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ଅଯଥାରେ ସମୟ ନଷ୍ଟ କରିବା ଉଚିତ ନୁହେଁ। ଜୀବନର ସ୍ୱଳ୍ପ ସମୟ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ବହୁତ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଆମକୁ ସମ୍ପାଦନ କରିବାକୁ ହେବ। କବି ଆମ ହୃଦୟକୁ ଅନ୍ତ୍ୟେଷ୍ଟି କ୍ରିୟା ସମୟରେ ଜୟ ଉଦ୍ରେକକାରୀ ଢୋଲର ପବିତ୍ର କ୍ଷଣସ୍ଥାୟୀ ଶବ୍ଦ ତୁଳନା କରିଛନ୍ତି। ହୃଦୟର ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ସ୍ପନ୍ଦନ ଆମକୁ ମୃତ୍ୟୁର ନିକଟତର କରାଇ ଦେଉଛି। ମୂକ ଗାଈ ଗୋରୁ ଭଳି ନିଜ ଭାଗ୍ୟକୁ ଗ୍ରହଣ ନ କରିବା କବି ଆମମାନଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରେରଣା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। ଯେ ମୋ ଭାଗ୍ୟରେ ଏଇଟା ଅଛି, ଏଇଟା ନା, ଭାଗ୍ୟକୁ କେବେ ଦିଅନି, କର୍ମ କରି ଚାଲ, କର୍ମ ହିଁ ଭଗବାନ। ମୋ ଭାଗ୍ୟ ଲେଖାଯିବ କିଏ ଦେଖିଛି ନା? କେହି ଦେଖିନି ଆମେ। ତେଣୁ କବି କହିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ହୃଦୟର ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ସ୍ପନ୍ଦନ ଆମକୁ ମୃତ୍ୟୁର ନିକଟରେ କରାଇ ଦେଉଛି। ମୂକ ଗାଈ ଗୋରୁ ଭଳି ନିଜ ଭାଗ୍ୟକୁ ଗ୍ରହଣ ନ କରିବା କବି ଆମମାନଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରେରଣା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। ତା ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତେ ଆମେ ଯୁଦ୍ଧଭୂମି ସଦୃଶ ପୃଥିବୀରେ ସଂଗ୍ରାମ କରିବା ଉଚିତ। ଦୁର୍ଦ୍ଦଶାଗ୍ରସ୍ତ ଜୀବନକୁ ଆମେ ସାହସର ସହିତ ସମ୍ମୁଖୀନ ହେବା ଦରକାର। ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ବୀରର ଭୂମିକା ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିବା ଶ୍ରେୟସ୍କର। ଆମେ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତକୁ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିବା ନାହିଁ, ଅତୀତକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ପ୍ରମନ୍ଥନ କରିବା ଉଚିତ ନୁହେଁ। ଆମେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନକୁ ନେଇ ବଞ୍ଚିବା, ଭବିଷ୍ୟତ କେହି ଦେଖିନାହାନ୍ତି, ଆମେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନକୁ ଦେଖି ଚାଲିବା ଏବଂ ଜୀବନ ସଂଗ୍ରାମକୁ ସମ୍ମୁଖୀନ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଦରକାର ବିଶ୍ୱାସ, ସାହସ, କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟନିଷ୍ଠା ଏବଂ ଈଶ୍ୱର ପ୍ରେମ। ମହାପୁରୁଷମାନଙ୍କର ଜୀବନ ସବୁବେଳେ ଆମକୁ ଅନୁପ୍ରାଣିତ କରେ। ସମୟର ବାଲୁକା ରୂପରେ ସେମାନେ ଛାଡ଼ି ଯାଇଥିବା ସେମାନଙ୍କର ପଦକୁ ଆମକୁ ଅନୁସରଣ କରିବା ଉଚିତ, ଯାହା ଫଳରେ ଆମ ବଂଶଧରମାନେ ବହୁଳ ପ୍ରେରଣା ପାଇପାରିବେ। ତେଣୁ କର୍ମ ହିଁ ଜୀବନର ମାନ। ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ନିରବିଚ୍ଛିନ୍ନ ଭାବରେ କଠିନ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରିବା ଏବଂ କଠିନ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରି ଶିକ୍ଷା କରିବା ଏବଂ ଫଳାଫଳ ପାଇଁ ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଧରି ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିବା। এইটা হচ্ছে স্পাম অফ লাইফ ର ସାରାଂଶ। ଏବେ ଆମେ ସର୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା। ପ୍ରଥମ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ପିଲାମାନେ କହିଛି ଦି ଲାଇନ୍ for the soul is dead that slumbers has a reference to the death. Answer is the Bible. Next, the word grave means death. Next question, what year the poem Sperm of Life was written? କୋଉ ବର୍ଷ ସ୍ପାମ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା ନା 1838 1838। What is a sperm? A hymn. Who does the poet address in the opening lines of the poem A Sperm of Life? Answer is those who say life is unreal. Next question, who say in mournful numbers that life is but an empty dream? उत्तर होची pessimist. 7 number, the poem was included in the collection days. उत्तर होची voices of the night. 8 number question, who is speaker? उत्तर होची young man. The main thing the young man advises is to dash. Answer होची act. 10 number, the young man does not want to hear that life is dash. उत्तर होची an empty dream. Heart beats are compared to dash. उत्तर होची drums. Life is compared to a dash. उत्तर होची battlefield. 13 number question, what animal does the young man not want? उत्तर होची cattle. बहुत important. आउ थोड़े कोई देखो, what animal does the young man not want? उत्तर होची cattle. Next question, life is also compared to a dash. उत्तर होची ocean. 15 number, we must learn to labor and to wait. 16 number, the tone of the poem is optimistic. 17 number, the young man advocated living days na heroically. How is a soul that is inactive? उत्तर होची sluggish. 19 number, according to the poet things are not days. Answer होची what they look. 20 number, what is not the aim of life? Answer होची death. 21 number, What is not life's goal? उत्तर होची grave. 22 number, the poet advises us not to dwell in the days. उत्तर होची past. 23 number question कहछि what should we do? हमें कौन करबा उचित ना believe in God. आंसर होची भगवान को विश्वास करबा. 24 number, why should we live in the present? Because, आंसर होची because this is what is correct. 25 number, how do lives of great men remind us? What do lives of great men remind us? Answer is we can make our lives noble. 26 number question, what do we leave behind when we die? उत्तर होची our good deeds. Our good deeds. आमे मरी जाइथिबा किंतु हमर कार्यपंथा लोक मान सब मने रखिथिबे. Where do we leave our footprints? Answer होची in the history. 28 number, whom will our sublime lives inspire? Answer होची those who progress on the path of sublimity. 29 number, lives of great men also inspire those who have failed in life and feel. Answer होची as if lost in the ocean of life. आगो जो पिला मन को देखो, lives of great men also inspire those who have failed in life and feel as if lost in the ocean of life. 30 number, what does the poet advise the readers? उत्तर होची to labor and have patience. 31 number, last question, a swarm of life ro Henry Wadsworth Longfellow is an American poet. विषय आज मु एमसीक्यू तैयारी करिछि जाके आज तुम मान को सहित मु आलोचना करबी. आगो को फाइनल एग्जाम अछि फाइनल एग्जाम को आखि आगरे रखी मु पिला माने आज टेलीविजन रो बच्चा बच्चा एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन तैयारी करिछि एवं तुम मान को सहित मु एबे डिस्कशन करबी. 1 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिला माने रिपीटेशन ऑफ नेवर ब्रिंग्स आउट द पोएट्स. ऑप्शन 1 blunted dislike of TV for the children, advice to the parents to be considerable towards their children after watching the television, appeal to ban TV for children. None of these. देखो पिला उत्तर होची repetition of never brings out the poets blunted dislike of TV for the children. 2 number question, the expression gaping at the screen implies parent inclination towards watching TV, opening one's mouth, the children obsession with TV. उत्तर पिला बोलुची C option, the children's obsession with TV. 3 number question, oh yes, we know it keeps them still. It keeps them still. The expression mean कौन? It keeps them still. Option, parents should be careful. Children need to be silent for the interest for their parents. The poet wants silence. All of this. उत्तर होची B option. It keeps them still. अर्थ होची children need to be silent for the interest for the parents. This does to your beloved thought. This does to your beloved thought. Here your refers to days. The poets, the children's, parents, none of these. उत्तर होची parents. TV robs of the children of their days. Study, enjoyment of life, fancies, imaginative power. उत्तर पिला मन होची TV robs of the children of their imaginative power. 6 number question, the poet fervently wants children to dash, watch TV at time, read literature, create a fairy world, play. उत्तर पिला मन होची the poet fervently wants the children to read literature. What does the poet suggest? Encourage all to watch television. Option B presents the dangers of watching television and menace of its addiction. television viewing should be made compulsory for children, school children. ଉତ୍ତର ପିଲାମାନେ ହେଉଛି presents the dangers of watching television and manners of its addiction. When was the poem television published? In the year 2001, 2005, 2003, 2000. उत्तर होगी 2000. Who keeps on gaping at the screen? Parents, children, friends, teachers. उत्तर होगी friends. What keeps them still? School activities, TV program, game and sports study. उत्तर पिलामान होची school activities keep them still. 11 number question, how do children behave while watching TV? How do children behave while watching TV? Option: gaping at the screen, still, sit and stare, all the above. उत्तर होगी gaping at the screen. What does the poet talk about the effect of watching TV on children? Positive, negative, educative. उत्तर होगी positive and negative, both A and B. According to the poet, it would be better for the parents to have a radio set, to have a computer, to have a laptop. उत्तर पिलामान होची to have a computer. 14 number question, why do parents let their children watch TV? Option: to keep them quiet, to make them satisfied, to make their maid burden free, educate them. उत्तर होची educate them. Television clocks and clutters of days, the body, the activities, the vision, the mind. Uttar the mind. The child's power of days roast and freeze. Option: understanding, imagination, perception, thinking. The child's power of days roast and freeze. Uttar the thinking. TV viewing killed days dead as pointed out by the poet Roald Dahl. उत्तर होगी सेंस, इमेजिनेशन, ब्रेन, माइंड. उत्तर होगी इमेजिनेशन. आप को देखो टीवी व्यूइंग किल्ड, इमेजिनेशन डेड एज पॉइंटेड आउट बाय द पोएट रॉल्ड दाhl. 18 नंबर क्वेश्चन, चिल्ड्रन shoot and dash at TV for long hours. Option: peep, scroll, stare, gaze. उत्तर होगी stare. ମୁଁ ଆଜି ପୋଏଟ୍ରିର ମନି ମ୍ୟାଡନେସ୍ ଯାହାକି D.H. ଲରେନ୍ସ ଦ୍ୱାରା ରଚିତ से विषय समस्त MCQ क्वेश्चन आज तुम मान सहित आलोचना करुच्ची जहाँकि परीक्षा आसब. प्रथम क्वेश्चन कही डैश फॉर मनी इज ए मॉडर्न फेनोमेनन. ऑप्शन: फैशन, नीड, क्रेज, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. उत्तर होची सी ऑप्शन, क्रेज. आउटर जो कह देख, क्रेज फॉर मनी इज ए मॉडर्न फेनोमेनन. 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन, the dash for madness for money varies from person to person. Option: multitude, magnitude, source, none of the above. उत्तर पिला मन होची बी, magnitude. आउ थोड़ा छुआ कहि दो देखो, the magnitude for madness for money varies from person to person. पिला माने बे 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करिबा. मनी इंसिड्स ए फीलिंग ऑफ डेस इन आवर माइंड्स. ऑप्शन: डिलाइट, फ्रस्ट्रेशन, ग्रेट फियर, पिकुलारिटी. उत्तर होजी ग्रेट फियर. आ तो कहि दोछ पिला माने मनी इंसिड्स ए फीलिंग ऑफ ग्रेट फियर इन आवर माइंड्स. 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन, we dread money, mankind collective phrase for money, some people greed of money. We dread उत्तर होची पिला माने mankind collective phrase for money, सी ऑप्शन. 5 नंबर क्वेश्चन, the rich treat the poor with dash. The rich treat the poor with dash. Indifference, disdain, compensation, none of the above. उत्तर होची disdain. 6 नंबर क्वेश्चन, men must have some money to lead a life of dash, protection, comforts, dignity. उत्तर होची dignity. आउ थोड़े पिला माने रिपीट कर दो देखो, men must have some money to lead a life of dignity. The poet pleads for mankind's dash about money. Option: wild excitement, एनाक्सिटी रेशनालिटी उत्तर होची रेशनालिटी आउथर पिला माने कहि देखो द पोएट प्लीड्स फॉर मैनकाइंड्स रेशनालिटी अबाउट मनी 8 नंबर क्वेश्चन द मनी हैज बीन द रूट ऑफ ऑल एविल इज डैश ट्रू partially true unthinkable false उत्तर होची false the money has been the root of all evil is false 9 number question what is madness according to the poet love money power corruption उत्तर होची money 11 number question कहिछि when a person parts with a proud of money he feels happy the pang of losing it sorrow proud of himself how to check देखो when a person parts with a pound of money he feels the pang of losing it b option 11 number question when a person hands out a 10 pound note he feels when a person hands out a 10 pound note he feels excited courageous encouraged a real tremor उत्तर होची a real tremor a man's worth is judged from this his personality his helping nature his education the amount of money he possesses उत्तर पिला माने होची a man's worth is judged from the option the amount of money he possesses 13 number question the money made men treat men without money with dash sympathy hatred pride arrogance पिला मन बताओ the money made men treat men without money with hatred b option what should be free according to the poet bread shelter and fire air and water money and habitation उत्तर पिला मन होची according to the poet should be free bread shelter and fire 15 number question who is the author of the poem money madness william wordsworth d.h. lawrence h.d. longfellow उत्तर होची d.h. lawrence 16 number question what does the poet dream about what does the poet dream about bread shelter fire should be free for everybody everybody should run after money we should regain our sanity about money उत्तर पिला मन होची the poet dream कौन poet को dream थिला ना bread shelter fire should be free from everybody 17 number question how does a person feel when he hands out a pound of money delighted paying hand a real tremor fear none de उत्तर होची pang and a real tremor what will man give if he will have no money what will man give if he will have no money a little bread bad treatment a little money compensation उत्तर होची little bread what is our madness money shelter bread fire money is our madness why must we have some money why must we have some money option to deposit in bank to meet our daily needs to help the need poor to save us from eating that we have some money answer पिला मन होची d to save us from eating that who will make the poet eat that his friends enemies money and fellow men money made fellow men उत्तर होची money made fellow men प्रथमे जो पिला माने ऑन एग्जामिनेशन the author of the on examination is के author किए थे on examination लो विल्सन चर्चिल चर्चिल वाज born in चर्चिल केबे जन्म नेथिले ना 1874 the public school where he took admission कोडी से admission नेथिले public school ले ना 1874 public school the name of Churchill autobiography is a roving commission my early life 5 number question कोइछि a roving commission my early life was published in केबे केबे publish हितला उत्तर होछि 1930 When Churchill entered to the inhospitable region of the examination को समय से एग्जाम दवा पाई जाइथिले केते वर्ष बयस रे एग्जाम देले एंट्रेंस ना 12 वर्ष 12 years old he was destined to read therefore केते वर्ष टी पढिथिले आंसर होची 7 years Churchill liked to be examined in Churchill को विषय रे फंड बा भलो पाउले करिया पई हिस्ट्री पोएट्री एंड राइटिंग एसे the examination were partial to days The examiners were partial to Latin and mathematics. The headmaster of Horo Public School, जो Horo Public School प्रधान शिक्षक किए थे उत्तर होची डॉक्टर वेल्डन चर्चिल वाज अनेबल टू आंसर ए सिंगल क्वेश्चन इन डेस्क को पेपर से आंसर दे पाले ना लैटिन पेपर स्टूडेंट टॉट लैटिन एंड ग्रीक एट होरो वेयर जो पिला माने लैटिन और ग्रीक भाषा पढ़ुले से क्लेवर स्टूडेंट थे उत्तर होची क्लेवर स्टूडेंट The writer came to know that Amiri was writer जानियो को चाहिए Amiri कौशल नो the in the sixth for षष्ठ सेल Amiri was senior to Churchill by 3 वर्ष 3 years Churchill won the prize स्कूल ले थोड़े प्राइज पाई दिले काहे की ना reciting to the headmaster 1200 lines of Machiavelli lays of ancient Rome without making a single mistake The first question on the preliminary examination for the army was the first question of the preliminary examination for the army was to draw a map of New Zealand. Churchill was in the fact the desk from the bottom of the whole school. Third, where was Churchill studying before got into the horror? Horror को जीवा पुरुष से केड़ी पढ़ुले ना एटन रे. Who was Churchill English teacher? ना Mr. Somerville. Protector lady प्रथम क्वेश्चन दी ऑथर ऑफ द प्रोटेक्टर लडी किए थे ना कुसुमन सिंह द्वितीय क्वेश्चन दी लेडी पोर्ट्रेट इन द स्टोरी इज ऑथर्स का विषय स्टोरी को ना ग्रैंड मदर लुक्ड देखियो किपरि थिले ओल्ड शॉर्ट स्लाइटली बेंट एंड फैट द एनिमल ग्रैंड मदर यूज्ड टू फीड इन द विलेज डॉग्स का खाइथिले ना डॉग्स द पेरेंट्स ऑफ द ऑथर वर लिविंग इन डेस इन दिस सिटी In the temple, grandmother was reading scriptures. In the city, the went kids religion prayer and English. In the city, the went kids religious prayer. City से कोटर जाउतले ना मोटर बस रे जाउतले. In the courtyard of the city house, grandmother used to feed. सोरो रे grandmother काउ खाइयोतले ना sparrow. The portrait of grandfather was hanging in the desk. ना ड्राइंग रूम रे टंगाइला ग्रैंडफादर फोटो व्हाट डिड द ऑथर ईट ब्रेकफास्ट कोन खाउतले थिक स्टल चपाती विथ a little butter and sugar spread on it how did grandmother spend her afternoon every day by feeding hundreds of sparrows what did the village priest teach the student कोन पढौतले village priest पिला मानकु alphabet and the morning prayer what did the grandmother do in her leisure time of the city सिटी रे से लेजर पीरियड कोन करथले बुढ़ी मां ना स्पारो मानु खाइ दतले फेड स्पारोस द मैजिक ऑफ टीम वर्क प्रेम्स की आलोचना करिबा प्रथम क्वेश्चन लैक ऑफ टीम वर्क इन इंडिया इज डेस ना ऑलमोस्ट क्रॉनिक सेकंड क्वेश्चन that one India was equal to 10 Japanese was a myth crab mentally refers to answer is state of feeling this lacks of an efficient out of envy. Modern society needs answer is specialist or experts. America is an object of the writer appreciation. A good work culture calls for affinity between words and deeds. Who is a good team player? Good team player किया वो ना who shows respect to others, tolerates different points of give and resolve conflicts. Which is important for beginning a piece of work. Authority to begin work forth with a agreed upon aspects. What the writer like is diversion of task. Again, number in India, it is very difficult to trace out authority good loser. A senior position needs answer capability. Who is the author of topic the magic of teamwork? Na Sam Petroda. 14 नंबर क्वेश्चन कहिछि व्हाट इज द की प्रॉब्लम अफेक्टिंग इंडिया प्रोग्रेस एटा साइंस रासला पिला माने इफेक्टिव इंप्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ पॉलिसीज Why did the Japanese come to India to develop the Maruti Suzuki car? DOT abbreviated expression for DES. Now the Telecom Technology Development Center of the Government of India. What does the expression playing second fiddle mean? To be in a soft, ordinate position to someone. The larger goal of the team is a whole is above individual or personal desire. क्वेश्चन पिला माने कहिछि on most school day 9 years old Wonka Nag lines up with his classmates why days on a busy Hong Kong street जे अधिकांश स्कूल दिन में 9 वर्षर वांग का नाग तांको सहपाठी सहित हंकंग एक व्यस्तबहुल रास्तार धारिड़ी रे छिड़ा होइचंती को धाड़ छिड़ा होइचंती ना बस स्टॉप रे छिड़ा होइचंती उत्तर होची पिला माने बस स्टॉप द पोल्यूशन इंडेक्स वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड डेज मंथ्स अर्लियर द पोल्यूशन इंडेक्स वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड डेज मंथ अर्लियर उत्तर होची 7 मंथ अर्लियर तार अर्थ होची जे प्रदूषण सूचांक मास केउ मास पूर्व आरंभ होइतला ना 7 मास पूर्व आरंभ होइतला नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन The main cause of foul air in Hong Kong is dash. The main cause of foul air in Hong Kong is dash. उत्तर होची मोटर व्हीकल्स जे हांगकांग रो दूषित वायु रो मुख्य कारण कौन ना मोटर यान नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन emissions from diesel vehicles accounted for about -% of the respirable suspended particulates उत्तर होची 98% जे डीजल जानरू निग्रत निग्रम प्राय 100% निश्वास प्राप्त स्थगित कणिका केते ना 98%. Next question. The worst offenders among vehicles are taxi, minibuses and dash. The most offenders among vehicles are taxi, minibuses and dash trucks. तने जानवाहन मध्यरु सबटारु खराब अपराधी होचंदी टैक्सी मिनिबस आउट ट्रक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन द व्हीकल्स दैट कॉज्ड द रोस्ट पोल्यूशन रन ऑन डैश द व्हीकल्स दैट कॉज्ड द रोस्ट पोल्यूशन रन एंड डैश जे जानवाहन मध्यरे सबटारु खराब प्रदूषण सृष्टि करथिबा जान गुडी को केउथिरे चलिताय उत्तर होची डीजल According to Ranjan Bose, vehicular pollution in New Delhi will be about 10% higher by the year 2000 if the trend continues. उत्तर होची 20%. जे रंजन बोसंग अनुजाई जदि एई धारा जारी रहे तेबे 2000 मसिया सुधा नुआ दिल्ली रे जानवाहन प्रदूषण प्राय शतकड़ा केते अधिक हबो ना 20% अधिक हबो 10 नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन The health alert was issued in dash. The health alert was issued in dash. उत्तर होची जनवरी जे स्वास्थ्य सतर्कता क्यों मसिया जारी कराइतला ना जनवरी मासरे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन द प्रपोजल टू रिप्लेस डीजल व्हीकल्स was rejected in the month of dash. उत्तर होची डिसेंबर the proposal to replace diesel vehicles The proposal to replace diesel vehicles was rejected in the month of dash. जे पिला मन देखो डीजल जान बदलाइबा प्रस्ताव केउ मासे रे प्रत्याख्यान करा जाइतला उत्तर होची डिसेंबर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन Asian cities are suffering due to their own dash success. जे एशिया जो शहर गुडी को सेमानकर निजस्व अर्थनैतिक सफलता हेतु भगुचंती एटा को अर्थ ना इकोनॉमिकल एशियन सिटीज आर सफरिंग ड्यू टू देयर ओन इकोनॉमिक सक्सेस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम डज ओंका नाग सफर फ्रॉम उत्तर होची आस्थमा मनोदा पिला माने आजमा जेटा कहूचे जे ओंका नाग केउ स्वास्थ्य समस्या रे पीड़ित थिले उत्तर होची आजमा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन When did the health alert in Hong Kong occur? ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି ଜାନୁଆରୀ 3। ଯେ ହଂକଂର ସ୍ୱାସ୍ଥ୍ୟ ସତର୍କତା କେବେ ଆସିଥିଲା? ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି ଜାନୁଆରୀ 3। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍, ଡିଜେଲ ଭେହିକଲ୍ସ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଫର ହ୍ୱାଟ ପରସେଣ୍ଟେଜ ଅଫ ରେସ୍ପିରେବଲ ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡେଡ ପାର୍ଟିକୁଲାର୍ସ ଇନ୍ ହଂକଂ ଏୟାର? ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି 98%। ଯେ ହଂକଂର ବାୟୁରେ ନିଶ୍ୱାସ ପ୍ରାପ୍ତ ସ୍ଥଗିତ କଣିକା ଗୁଡ଼ିକର କେତେ ପ୍ରତିଶତ ଡିଜେଲ ଯାନ ଅଟେ? उत्तर हो पे 98%। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच व्हीकल्स आर कंसिडर्ड द वर्स्ट ऑफेंडर्स इन हांगकांग पॉल्यूशन? व्हिच व्हीकल्स आर कंसिडर्ड द वर्स्ट ऑफेंडर्स इन हांगकांग पॉल्यूशन? आंसर ट्रेन्स एंड शिप्स।